What's up, everybody? Rick here, coming at you with another unboxing today. But before we get into it, hey, if you like knife content, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving this video a like. I will do my best to link what's in here down below. This is a hard one to get. I didn't even know anything about it until I got it in. I got an email, I think from, I don't remember which dealer. Opened up and I was like, what is that? Is that real? And I clicked into it and I was like, I saw it and I was like, wanted it, but I was also not planning on purchasing it. So I hemmed and hawed, and by the time I wanted to pull a trigger, it was gone. So I was able to find it, but I will link it down below. I also link out this dealer. I know nothing about this dealer, never ordered from them. They're called Penchette Pen and Knife, Penchette Pen and Knife. It's a little shop out of Scottsdale, Arizona. I mean, we'll see. I mean, they got here fast. They ordered it out. I I put in the order, and within like half hour, they already had the shipping label slapped on it. So let's get into this because I'm excited about this. I want to know. Oh, I want to know about this. I want to get this in my hand. I was carrying the It's gonna be a little connection here, but I was carrying the mini Microtech MSI Mini, which is awesome, honestly. I freaking love this thing. Perfect. Okay, I don't want anything popping out. I don't know if they do. I don't know how these people operate. I got that stuff in here. We got this. We got, oh, there's a Microtech in here. And just, all right. Cool. Does this say anything? Any stickers? Nothing? Oh, they wrote something, though. Oh, wow. They wrote a big old note. Sorry, I'm going to read this for a second. What? I don't know what that means. I'm going to come back to that. Okay. They wrote a nice letter. It's like damn near a paragraph. But anyway, what do we got here? Microtech, obviously. We got an M-Stitch. Oh, focus, M-Stitch, Ramlock. What is an M-Stitch, huh? Well, this is supposedly a stitch, but a mini. Of course, we got, obviously, the good old stiff. Confused by what they wrote here. Did I miss something in the packaging? I don't know what this means. Anyways, okay, so what the note says, it says howdy, Richard. You guys didn't put together my first name is Rick, which is just short for Richard. Anyway, thank you so much for picking up this beautiful little mini stitch. Microtech makes such great knives, and I think these new mini versions are the perfect size for EDC. I went ahead and tossed in an extra quotes blade for you. Enjoy. I don't know what that means. There's nothing else in here. But anyways, oh, let's check this out. It's a mystery. You left me with a cliffhanger. Anyways, but this thing. Okay, so this is. Oh man, I don't even have my regular stitch out. All right, I'm gonna leave this right here. I gotta pause it because I gotta be able to unlock my thing for the thing, right? Hold on. And we're back. So I keep my knives locked up because there's kids that run around my house from time to time. Um, okay, so the mini stitch or the M-Stitch. This thing is all right, all right. So we got aluminum handles, ram lock, obviously, big old backspacer. This is just an unboxing, first impressions. There will be a review after I get a chance to carry it a bit. Reversible pocket clip, deep carry clip, but a little butt's gonna stick out there. And this thing is all right. Let's look this thing open. Oh, it's a baby. It's such a little baby. This thing. Oh, this is a good size. This is awesome. That makes me smile. Man, Microtech has been doing, since they introduced the ram lock, my opinion, these knives are great. And these minis that they've been doing, like I said, I didn't get this that long ago, but I'm carrying the MSI mini. So this is actually a little shorter than the MSI mini. But these sizes are great. They're right in the letter. What was his name? I didn't even catch his name. I can't read that scribble. Anyways, I'm gonna reach out to him. I'm gonna learn his name. Because he wrote so much. Look at this thing. It's so cute and adorable, and this is awesome. This is awesome. I'm stoked about this. This is exactly. It's actually smaller than I thought it was gonna be, which is not a bad thing. And I think it just bit me. Oh, it's mine. It's mine now. It's a little smaller, but it's like I love this size. Just gotta be careful of that closing blade. I got a little stick in the lock that's I have no doubt that's gonna work its way out. Jeez. Okay. So we got the little stitch blade. I love the stitch blade. Just the aggressive, I don't know, almost arrowhead looking. I mean, clip point, I guess, technically a modified clip point. How much am I bleeding? Not bad. We got Sanders construction, aluminum, reversible pocket clip, backspacer. I said all that stuff, didn't I? Sorry, I'm just taken back because this thing, it just feels great in my hand, and I'm getting blood all over it. Hell yeah! Good thing I got a little thing of. I have a little thing of band-aids here. Obviously, it's been a bit since I've cut myself on camera. This band-aid sucks. It's open. Okay, good. It's not on camera. Me struggling with the damn band-aid. Ah! Anyways, throw that aside. Back to this. Oh. I just cut myself twice on a camera. It's this is fun. I'm glad there's people that are out there watching me do this. Channel's nearing 1,000 viewers. Not that far off, just a little bit. I'll probably have to do a live stream here and do a giveaway very shortly. What is this? Oh, it's just blood. Okay. So this is so far, this has been a dangerous night for me. Because yeah, I'm just yeah, that's funny. Okay, I'm giggling, laughing at myself. All right, let's get back to it. Okay, so we've got the blade steel is the same as all these. Yeah, M390 MK, Bowler M390, USA made. Says it right there on the blade. We got the little Microtech. Now I got band-aids all over my hand, so now this is even more difficult. I'm gonna cut myself again. If I cut myself a third, oh man. Okay, so size comparison. Here's what we got right here with the M-Lock or the M-Stitch. We've got, well, get back here. What are we doing? What are we doing? There we go. We've got the manual stitch. So there's the size difference. And of course, we got the auto stitch. Get that out of here for a second. There's my stitch family. Stitch family all together. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut myself with another knife. I was carrying this guy not that long ago, and man, I love carrying this thing. This thing is way more fun if I don't cut my hand. Hardware. Let's get into that hardware. I think the stitch was 8s and 10. Let's double check. Yeah, the mini stitch, or not the mini MSI. So we got 8 on the body, T8 on the pocket clip, and no. It's Microtech. I think it's a T15 on the pivot. Yes, T15 on the pivot, T8s all around the rest. That's awesome. Love that. Excuse my sniffling. Let's put that back. We got 13 minutes. I'm gonna wrap this up before I cut myself again. I love this. This is going right in my pocket. Be carrying this. Let's see how many times it cuts me. Hopefully not anymore. Measure it. I should measure it first. Oh my gosh, this is the most dysfunctional video I've ever made. The OG, or not the OG, the manual. We're looking at 8.5 inches total, and nut to butt on the mini is 7. The blade is 3 inches, and with 2.5 inches of cutting edge. I'm excited about that. Okay. Hey, if you're still watching and you watch this bloodbath that's been happening on this, I appreciate you. If you haven't done these things, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking this video. Please do it, because as you see, I drew blood for this. I drew blood. Also, leave a comment down below. Tell me your thoughts on one, how I handle knives, because I think I deserve a little criticism from what you just watched. And two, what are your thoughts on the M-Stitch? Because I think it's pretty badass. Let me know if you're gonna pick them up. And then also, if you're over on Instagram and you're not following me, please give that a follow too. Rick's Knives. That's where I'm at. That's exciting. That's what I got. Hope you all have a great rest of your day. Try not to cut your. I'll try not to cut myself anymore today, but no promises. Till next one.